Hey there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. I just learned some new jokes and I can't wait to share 'em with you. Ready? Okay, here we go. Knock, knock. Who's there? Cows go. Cows go who? No, silly. Cows go moo. Isn't it great? Cows go who? Okay, here's another one. You ready? Okay. Why couldn't the pony sing? Because she was a little horse. You get it? Because ponies are little horses. Okay, you want to hear another one? Whew. Okay, here we go. What kind of dinosaur loves to sleep? A stegosaurus. You get it? Stegosaurus? Okay, one more. You ready? You ready? Okay, here we go. Knock, knock. Who's there? Figs. Figs who? Fix your doorbell. It's broken. You get it? The doorbell's broken and the knock knock. Figs. Whew. I sure do love jokes. Don't you? You got any good ones to share? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you later, Greenie Beanies. Figs.